has been witnessing a sudden surge in ambergris smuggling since May 2021, with such activities frequently making headlines. In the past 3 months, several smugglers have been caught and ambergris seized from their possession by police and wildlife crime control officials across the coastal states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. What is ambergris? Ambergris, popularly called floating gold, is a substance excreted by sperm whales. A sperm whale eats cephalopods such as squid and cuttlefish and vomits the indigestible parts of its prey such as the beaks. In rare circumstances, these parts move into the whale's intestines and bind together to become a solid mass. Ambergris starts to form when the whale produces a fatty, cholesterol-rich substance as a defensive cover around the sharp, indigestible mass, allowing it to pass through the whale's stomach and intestine without damaging it. This is similar to how a grain of sand turns into a pearl in an oyster. There are two conflicting theories on how a whale ejects ambergris. Some believe that the whale vomits the mass, earning ambergris its well-known nickname whale vomit. The other theory is that the whale passes the ambergris along with fecal matter, giving its other moniker whale poop. Ambergris is usually black and white in color, but is sometimes grey and brown too. The substance's color changes with oxidation, which happens when it is exposed to the sea and air for long periods of time. When was ambergris discovered? Ambergris is often described as one of the world's strangest natural occurrences. Fossilized evidence of the substance dates back to 1.75 million years ago. Historical records show that it is likely that humans have been using it for more than 1,000 years. However, it was not until large-scale whaling began in the 1800s that the identity of its sole producer, the sperm whale, was discovered. What is ambergris used for? Ambergris is used to extract ambroin, an odorless alcohol which is used to make a perfume's scent last longer. For hundreds of years, perfumers have categorized the quality of ambergris according to its color, with the finest perfumes made from pure white varieties. Black ambergris is the least valuable because it contains the least amount of ambroin. However, ambergris has been used for more than just perfume. Ancient Arab and Egyptian civilizations used it as incense, aphrodisiac, and medicine to cure several ailments. It is also being used as a spice to add flavor to food, with studies saying that it has anti-diabetic properties. Why is ambergris banned in India? In India, the sale of ambergris is legally prohibited as the sperm whale is an endangered species protected under the Wildlife Protection Act since 1970. Even though ambergris is produced naturally, the fact remains that its worth and demand puts the already endangered sperm whale under threat and makes it vulnerable to hunting. It is on this basis that the use and sale of ambergris is banned in India. However, the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species (CITES) considers ambergris a waste product of sperm whales that occurs naturally, making it legal to collect it from the beach or sea. Why is India witnessing a sudden spurt in ambergris smuggling? As per the latest estimates given by Mumbai Police, 1 kg of ambergris is worth 1 crore rupees in the international market. Police believe an increased awareness among coastal communities about its value through social media in recent times might have encouraged them to actively hunt for it. Police also suspect that ambergris smuggling may have existed previously and has been exposed now due to slowdown in its international trade due to flight restrictions on account of COVID-19, forcing smugglers to find sellers within the country, a federal report.